We'll guide you through how to set up WooCommerce subscriptions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure WooCommerce is installed and activated. You need to install the WooCommerce subscriptions plugin. Go to the Plugins section, click on Add New, search for WooCommerce subscriptions, and then click Install Now, followed by Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new subscriptions menu under WooCommerce in your dashboard. Click on it to start configuring your subscription settings. Here, you can define subscription product settings, such as payment intervals and trial periods. Now, go to Products and click Add New to create a subscription product. Enter the product name and description as usual. In the Product Data dropdown, select Subscription. This will open up additional fields where you can set the billing interval, the price, and whether it includes a free trial or a sign-up fee. Make sure to set the appropriate stock status and visibility options. Then publish your product. Next, you want to configure your payment gateways to ensure they support recurring payments. Go to WooCommerce Settings, click on the Payments tab, and enable a gateway like PayPal or Stripe that supports subscriptions. Configure your payment settings according to your preferences. It's important to test your setup. Go to your site as a customer, add the subscription to your cart, and proceed to checkout to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're satisfied, your WooCommerce subscriptions are ready to go live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.